the dog here, and today we're gonna make one of my favorite treats, jelly and toast. Doesn't that look delicious? Miss Emma's gonna come over and give me a hand making it. All right, so let's get started. Hi, Miss Emma.
Hi, Fluffy.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm real good. What are we gonna do today?
Today we're gonna make your favorite snack, Fluffy.
Is it really gonna be? Oh, it's gonna be jelly and toast?
Yes, it is.
I love
it's going
jelly
to be
and
jelly
toast. I love it, I love it, I love it.
We have everything that we need so we can make jelly and toast. Do you
Is
want me
that
to
bread?
Yes, it is. Yeah, I'll show you what we're gonna use. We're gonna use bread.
Bread.
We're gonna use jelly.
Oh, is that strawberry?
Yes.
My favorite.
You gonna smell it, Fluffy?
Oh yeah, that's good strawberry jelly. Looks so sweet.
We're gonna need a spoon.
Okay.
We're going to need a knife, a butter knife.
Ooh.
And we're also going to use a toaster.
A toaster, okay.
We have to be very careful when we use a toaster because it's a kitchen appliance and it gets really hot.
Oh, yeah.
So only adults can go ahead and touch it. But you
Okay.
can help me. Maybe you can help me place some bread inside.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I do that?
Yes, and that is actually the first step that we have to do. We have to take our bread and put we're going to go ahead and put 2 pieces of bread in the toaster, one on one, and the other one on the other side.
Okay.
And then the only thing that we have to do is press the button down.
This
You can
big-
help me
big-
with that.
this
That's
big
fine.
one?
Yes, you can help me with that.
Ooh.
That's it.
So now we have to wait for it to
Now
pop.
we do have to wait a little while.
Miss Emma?
Yes.
While we're waiting, can we go have a dance party?
Sure.
Okay, let's go have a
wanna have a
dance
dance
party.
party.
We'll be right back. Hey, Miss Emma, I
Yes,
think it's
what?
ready. I can smell it. Can we pop it
I
up?
think so. I think it's ready. Ooh, one is a little bit toasty.
That looks crunchy.
Ooh, yeah.
I love crunchy toast. That's my
does.
favorite way to have toast is crunchy toast.
And that's the best way to have it too. I think so too, Fluffy.
Okay.
All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and set up one toast. Piece of toast on the side, and we are going to take our jelly and our spoon, and we're going to scoop a little bit of jelly on the spoon, place it on the toast, and now comes one of my favorite parts, which I think you're gonna enjoy a lot.
What are we going to do?
We are going to spread the jelly. Would
I
you like
spread
to
it?
help me?
Yeah,
Yes,
can I
you can
do
be
it?
my helper, of course.
Ooh, yeah.
Here we go.
Ooh.
All right, I'll help you.
Okay.
I'll hold it. There you go. And
Oh, I'm spreading
spread it.
jelly.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm spreading jelly. Look at me spreading jelly. Oh, did I do a good job?
I think you did a very good job.
Oh, excellent.
All right.
Ooh, Miss Emma, it smells so good and it looks so delicious.
It does look very delicious. We're going to go ahead and try it, but in a little bit, okay?
Okay.
We are going to take that second piece that we toasted.
Yeah.
Okay. And I remember you said your friends are coming over later on, right?
I have 4 friends coming over later. Yeah.
Yeah. So what we are going to go ahead and do is make some more toast and jelly for your friends.
Do we have to toast more bread?
No, we don't have to toast more bread.
So how are we going to make them 4
I'm going
friends?
to show you. I'm going to show you. I'm going to take the butter knife. And I will do it very carefully. Remember, when you're using a butter knife, boys and girls, please remember to ask your mom and your dad to help you with it. I will help Fluffy because he can't do it. Okay?
I love you, Miss Emma.
I love you too, Fluffy. So we are going to go ahead and cut it.
Okay.
We're going to cut it.
Ooh, see, I can hear how crunchy it is. And I love crunchy toast. I love it when it just crunches in my mouth when I'm eating it.
We're going to cut it. Oh, this is taking.
Oh, that looks so good.
We're going to cut it this way.
Okay, so you cut it once long
Yeah,
way.
we got it. Cut it that way, and now we're gonna cut it the other way. This
Oh,
is really
okay, I see what you're doing. Yeah. Oh, you're making it into 4 pieces.
4 pieces.
Oh, it's going to be 4 even pieces, so we all get the same amount.
Yes, we are.
Oh, that's awesome, Miss Emma.
So now we have 4 pieces.
Oh, that's such
Okay.
a cool trick.
Yep. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a little bit of jelly again, scoop it, and put some on one piece,
Ooh.
some on the other piece.
Okay.
And some more.
Mm.
And on the very last one, we're also going to put a little bit more.
Miss Emma,
and
you
just-
make the best toast and jelly.
Thank you, Fluffy. And now we're going to go ahead and just spread it, just like you did. I will spread it on these 4 pieces.
Wow.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
There you go. And that's it, Fluffy.
That's it?
We're done.
You made my favorite treat.
We have some for you, and some for your friends, some for me, and for everybody.
Oh, thank you so much, Miss Emma.
You're welcome, Fluffy.
Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. I really hope that you can make yourself some jelly and toast with your mom and dad too. Remember, if you enjoyed my how-to video here on how to make jelly and toast, please give us a thumbs up. And also remember to like and subscribe to our channel. All right, so I'll see you soon, and I'll have another how-to so we can all have fun together. Bye.
Bye.